Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out on Snapchat on Android as well as on iPhone. So the process is same. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Then you simply need to click on the gear icon on the top right, and from here you need to scroll down, and in the bottom you can see option of logout. Click on that, and here you can see that are you sure you want to log out. So you can see that you save your credentials, so logging back in will be easy. You can change that settings from the login screen. So if you are confirmed, click on logout, and it will take few seconds to log out. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.